Hi again, Sean here with another lesson in our Getting Started series. Today we're focusing on how to add blocks to an existing page. Whether you're building new sections or reorganizing content, knowing how to efficiently add and move blocks will make your life much easier. We'll explore different insert methods, copy-pasting blocks from one page to another, and even how to pull content from external sources like Google Docs. Let's jump in. Let's start by adding a new set of blocks inline, meaning in between existing blocks. So on our features page, I want to add a section between our plugin and platform section and our component library. So selecting the main block wrapper of either section allows me to move to that part of the editor, and clicking on the options menu, I can either add before or add after. In this case, I'd like to add before. You can see this gives me an empty paragraph block. And as we've seen in previous videos, I can use a slash command to easily add a container. And I could continue to add blocks here and build out a section custom. But Gutenberg makes it really easy to copy blocks from one page to another. So over here, I have this pre-built section that I want to insert into that spot instead of building it from scratch. I can choose from the options menu here on the main wrapping container to copy. This copies all of the blocks inside this main container and all of the block settings. I would then go over to this page, select this container here where I want to copy over, and simply Command V. This now gives me all of the blocks and all of its setting, including the content that was entered. You can also copy text from external sources like Google Docs. So say instead of populating these blocks manually, I want to paste it from existing content. I'll insert blank heading block. Now I'll go to our press release and copy some content, including a list block. And I will go to this empty heading and click paste. And you can see this has automatically set it up as the heading block, individual paragraph blocks, and a list block. Now sometimes after adding content, we might realize that we wanted this in a different place. In which case, I can collapse this, select the container, and in the toolbar, I can use the move up and move down icons to move it up and down in the page layout, like so. Or individually, I might want to move this list block up or up a little more. Alternatively, we can just drag this down in between these blocks. And that's it. That's how you add blocks to an existing page. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website or by booking a demo. See you in the next video.